while, Bill. No, I'm just going for a run. Yeah, I'm still driving this truck. I know, I totally need to turn in for a Shelby. Okay, well, I'll give you a call back. Maybe we can hang out later tonight. Okay, talk to you later. Bye. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed. Team Shelby will be hosting Horsepower on Main Street, October 28th from 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. in historic Smithville, Virginia. This will be a trunk or treat show for all makes and models. This is a family event, so make sure you bring out your family and all the kids to enjoy the bounce house, music, raffles, t-shirts, and so much more.
Team Shelby, Virginia would like to thank the following sponsors: Carrollton Car Wash, Cypher Auto, Corsa Performance Exhaust, Croftgate USA, Daniels Performance Group, Dave & Buster's, Enterprise Rent-A-Car, GarageWraps.com, Graphic Trends, Lawfer Insurance Solutions, Optima Batteries, Q Daddy's Pitmaster Barbecue, RockAuto.com, SCT, Shelby American, Smithfield, Flavor Hails from Smithfield, Smithfield Detailing and Pressure Washing, and Smithfield Gourmet Bakery and Cafe.